Okay, so in this video, we're going to look at the different types of reports available in the Logix Estimator. The following video, we're going to look more into the reports and how to customize it, etc. So in this one, we're just going to look at how, or the different types of reports you can view. Okay, so right now we're in the preliminary estimates, and that's under View Results when you click on that button. To view the reports, you click on the View Report button, and there are four options or different types of reports that you can choose from. You have wall sections, building names, building and wall sections, and then a report that you can filter. So with wall sections, what it will do is it will list out all the estimates for each wall section. So if we go back into our well, let's go back into where we enter the data. Here's all the wall sections. We've got, for the basement, we've got 8-inch, 4-inch, and 6¼ inch. And then for the upper floors, we've got a first floor and a second floor. So we have 5 wall sections. So under the report, what it will do, it is under wall sections, it will list out all your estimates for each of those 5 wall sections. Let's just take a quick peek. Okay, so here's the estimate. You can tell which report you're looking at because it'll say at the top bar here, grouped by wall section names. So each page starts with a new wall section. So it's listing out the first floor wall section. Second page, it will list out the second floor, etc. So it gives you the estimate for each wall section. If you click on building names, what it will do is it will group all your estimates per building that you have. So if we go back where we entered data, our basement has 3 wall sections. So what the report will do if you select building names is it will group all the estimates for each of the wall sections under basement. Same thing with upper floors. It'll tally up all your estimates under upper floors as well. So let's take a quick peek. Under building names, we should just have 2 types or 2 building parts, the basement and the upper floors. So again, you can tell where which report you're using from the top bar there. So as you can see, it grouped all the wall section, all the estimates for basement in one basic building part. So all these estimates you see for basement include all the wall sections under basement. So it just tallied everything up. On the next page, we have upper floors. So the first and second floors are all tallied up under upper floors. Okay, so that's what building names is. So it's grouped, the estimates are tallied up for each building part rather than each wall section like it would do for this report wall sections. Building wall sections I kind of prefer because it will group everything, it'll estimate everything. Probably the easiest thing to do is just to show you. So it'll group your building part and then group your wall sections so you know where your estimates are coming from. So it tells me it's on the upper floor, the wall sections are first floor and second floor, and then it splits up all the estimates for that. So you get to see what else is going on in more detail, sort of thing. I kind of like it this way for my own preference because it helps me just verify numbers. But for your area, you may only need the wall sections or building names. For the filter reports, that one allows you to just print out reports for a specific section or building part that you want to look at. So in our example, we have 2 building parts, basement or upper floors. So I could either select both of these or just one of them. And whatever one I highlight, it'll give me the the estimates just for that part. So if I select upper floors for building part, which remember has 2 wall sections, it'll tally everything up for upper floors. So if I click filter and view report, it gives me all the totals for the upper floors. You know which one you're working with because it tells you at the top here, and also on your report as well. If I go back and click filter report, I could also filter by wall section. So just click on wall section and you can choose whatever wall section you want to report. You can choose a number of them or just one. So there's a lot of flexibility in this. Again, at the top it tells you what you're filtered for, including on your report. And if you want to remove the filters, all you do is click remove filter. And that's pretty much it. So those are the types of reports you can view. Next video, we're going to look further in depth in the reports itself. There's a lot of features that you can work with to kind of customize it to your own liking. So that's what we'll cover in the next video.